Hello. So we have created an automation in Pabbly. That is, the workflow name is drsurgeon.com webinar info automation. Before going to this automation, I will explain you other thing. That is, whenever the people will register for my webinar, so it will take a data see, as you can see the analysis. So it will take a separate data. So for that we have connected Sendinblue for the webinar kit, as you can see. One second. Yes. So in Sendinblue we have created a multiple list to separate those participants. As you can see, we have matched the Sendinblue. As you can see, the list, whatever the list we have created in the Sendinblue, we have matched all those lists to the webinar. So that webinar kit will be triggers a separate data, like each of the list we have created. So after this data, whatever the data has took from the webinar kit, so this Sendinblue has to send this data to some part. So for that we have created automation in Pabbly. As you can see, this is a workflow. I have selected a trigger event called send in blue. Send in blue. The action is, and trigger event is new contact added to the list. Okay, I have selected this because whenever the new contact is added to the list, it has to trigger the things. So as you can see, this URL I have put in send in blue also. As you can see, that webbook. See, I have put this webbook URL to the send in blue, so it is triggering the data. So as you can see, the response received is only I have got a email ID from the send in blue. It's okay, but for that I have created one more action event called send in blue only. But to get information about those like this email, as you can see, I have got the response also. See, the first name and the last name. So after this data, whatever the data which is in the sending view, this has to be moved to another website, the website name called Fluent CRM. So this data has to move to Fluent CRM. For that I have routed my data into separate list forms which I have created in the Fluent form. Contact data tags. So here influencer form we have created separate tags for each actions. As you can see, webinar, whenever the people will register for the webinar, so Sendinblue will take the data. So webinar registered are 93, so it will take a data. So for that I have set the router is okay. Yes. So routing is whenever I have selected the list ID, because each whatever the list we have created, it has a separate list ID. So I have took this list ID, and it is equal to this, whatever the value is, it is equal to this. So I have got the response that is true, and this data has been transferred to the Fluent CRM. Okay, this is the thing, and we have got the response also, and we have this data has been moved to Fluent CRM also. One second. Yes, webinar register, and we have got the response correctly. After this, we have created multiple routers, that is attended webinars. So there I have filtered is, I have took the trigger, whatever the trigger which has been came in the trigger event. So as you can see, new add list, and we have took the list id. This I have been took as a selected label as a list id 04. So this is not does not equal to this value. So as you can see, the filter name is attendees, right? Attended webinar. So it is attended webinar id is 5. So I have put this id as a 5, and I have a filtered type is does not equal to 5. So I have got the list also. The condition is true, and this data has been triggered to Influent CRM. This data has moved for this whatever the data which I have created, so it has to move to Fluent CRM. Yes, this is correct. Or and also the whatever the list we have created in the webinar, and that data has been transferred to other Fluent CRM. As you can see, one second. But the thing is, for each email ID, it is showing the same name only. As you can see, Sindhu Sri only, because it has to change, right? So as you can see, we have took the email id, and we have just segregated it as we have get the contact information. So we should get other names, whatever the email id which is came from the uh, sending blue. So it has to take changes, right? But influence crm, as you can see, it is all name has been Sindhu Sri only. And the date, and also whatever we created, only this webinar registrant is triggering to it is working fine, but all these tags is not working. So how to do further steps? Thank you.